Hey everybody, so today in math we're going to again begin with our vocabulary words. Our vocabulary words are the same as yesterday's, okay? So remember ones is number 1 through 9, so here's how we can show not ones, or we can do little circles if we're drawing ones. Tens is a group of 10 ones. We show those with our base 10 rods, or if we're drawing we can do straight down lines, okay? So remember 10 ones equals one group of 10. So in 13, you see you have 10 ones, so that's one group of 10. So 13 is one group of 10, and then 3 ones, okay? So circle your 10s, and however many left over is how many ones you have. 10 more would mean you're counting up 10 spots, okay? So 10 more is when you count up 10 spots. You're going to have a bigger number, okay? You're counting up to a bigger number. 10 less is when you're going to count back 10 spots. When you count back 10 spots, you're going to end up on a smaller number. So 10 less, you're going to end up on a smaller number. The last two are the new ones. So penny, remember this is a penny. Penny equals 1 cent. And a dime is 10 cents. So 10 pennies equals 1 dime. Let's look at that one more time together. Okay. All right, so each penny is equal to 1 cent. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you get to 10 pennies, you can trade it out for a dime, right? Because a dime is 10 and pennies are ones. Once you get 10 pennies, you can trade it out for a dime. Okay, so one more time. A penny is worth 1 and a dime is worth 10. Okay, and 10 pennies equals 1 dime. Alrighty, today's activity, you're going to need your, let's see. Okay, so you're going to need the number line that we did yesterday. Okay, so it's when we colored each line a different color and we cut it out and laid them out from 0 to 99. Okay, you're going to need that again. You're going to need these 2 spinners from your packet, so cut those out. And when you're ready, let's move on. So press pause while you cut those out and find your materials, then hit play when you're ready. All right, so I'm going to explain how to play first, and then I'll show you how to play. There are 2 rounds to this game. The first one is tug of war round 1. So you're going to put 1 mover. You only need 1 mover at 50. Okay, so 1 mover at 50. Player 1 wants to get the mover to 99. Player 2 wants to get it to 0. Okay, so you each want to get the mover to your direction. Player 1's going to go first. They're going to spin the spinner. If they land on 10, they get to move the mover 10 spots in their direction. Okay. They land on 1, they get to move it 1 spot in their direction. Then player 2 is going to go. The same with them. If they get 10, they get to move it 10 spots in their direction, which will be the other way, or they get to move it 1 spot in their direction, which will be the other way. So that's how to play round 1. And round 2, I'm just going to explain really quick before I show you. Round 2 is the same, except for we're going to use dimes and pennies, okay? So you're going to start at 50 again. You want to get the mover either to 0 or 99. If you land on a dime, remember a dime equals 10, so you get to move it 10 spots in your direction. If you land on a penny, remember a penny is 1, so you get to move it 1 spot in your direction. All right, now I'm going to show you how to play. So me and Rashid are going to play. So first I need to set up my number line. You're going to go 0 to 99. Okay. Oh, can't see it. Okay. And we're going to start with round 1. So we're going to use this spinner. We're going to put 1 mover on 50. Okay. So let me get my spinner ready. Remember, I'm going to use the pencil and the paper clip. I'm going to go first. Okay, I got it on 1. I want to get mine to 0. Okay, so I want to get mine to 0, which means I need to go backwards. So I get to go 1 spot towards 0. Okay, now Rashid's going to go. Rashid wants to get to 99. Rashid got 10, so he gets to take the mover, move it 10 spots in his direction, which is towards 99. So he's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Messed it up there a little bit. Okay. All right, so now Rashid is winning, so I'm going to go again. I got it on 10, so now I get to move it back 10 in my direction. Remember, my direction, I want to get to 0, so I'm going to move my mover towards 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so now Rashid's going to go again. Rashid got 10, so now Rashid gets to move the mover in his direction, which is towards 99, so he's going to count up 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we would keep playing until one of us got the mover all the way to our side. Okay, so let's say we play round 1. Now let's play round 2. So round 2, we're going to use this spinner. Remember, a dime equals 10, a penny equals 1. Okay? Alrighty, so we put our mover on 50. I'm going to go first. Landed in the middle. We'll say it landed on penny. Okay, I got penny. I'm trying to get to 0, so I need to move it back 1 because a penny is worth 1. I need to move it back towards 0, 1, because that's what I'm trying to get to. Okay, now Rashid's going to go. Rashid also got penny. So Rashid's going to move how many spots? That's right, 1. He's going to move in his direction, though, which is towards 99. Okay, so he's going to move it in the other direction. He's counting up. All right, let me go. Penny again. So I'm going to move it back 1 in my direction towards 0. Now Rashid's going to go. Okay, Rashid got a dime. A dime is worth 10. So he gets to move the mover 10 spots towards his direction. Remember, his direction is towards 99, so he's going to count up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and we're going to keep on playing until one of us reaches either 0 or 99 with the mover. Remember, you're just using one mover, and you're both moving in opposite directions to get to other ends. All right, when you're done playing both rounds of this game, there are a couple questions you need to answer. Okay. All right, the first one. What do a 0 to 99 chart and a number line have in common? So what did our number line that we created, what does that have the same as the 99 chart that we've been looking at? Okay. All right, pause it while you think of your answer and write it down. Push play when you're ready. Okay, number 2, can you recognize any patterns on the number line? What kind of patterns do you recognize? For example, I recognize that once I get to a new group of 10, my color changes. So my number line is split up into groups. Okay, push pause while you answer. Number 3 says, how are a dime and penny similar to counting by 1s and 10s? How are they similar by counting to 1s and 10s? Well, a dime is worth how many? 10, so what's that like counting by? 10s. And a penny is worth how many? 1. So counting with pennies is like counting by 1s. Number 4 says, what strategy are you using to move forward or backwards by 10 or 1? So are you counting on? Are you counting each spot? Are you counting by 10s? What strategy are you using? All right, once you have finished these questions, you are good to go for math today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. If you have any questions, let us know. Bye.